Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the ICT TGIF strategy. All right, so the ICT TGIF strategy, of course, TGIF short for Thank God It's Friday, right? So it's a concept popularized in the inner cycle trader methodology. Okay, it focuses on how price behaves, you know, toward the end of the trading week, especially on Fridays, right? The core idea is that institutional traders often rebalance positions, take profits, or close trades before the weekend, which creates predictable price behavior. All right, so throughout the week, price typically builds liquidity. This means stop losses accumulate above highs and below lows, right? Then by Friday, especially during the London and New York sessions, by Friday, especially during the London and New York sessions, the market often moves aggressively to sweep that liquidity. So this can look like a sudden spike above resistance, right? Or below support, right? As the case may be. And then followed by a reversal. Now, the strategy involves identifying the weekly high, okay? The strategy involves identifying the weekly high and the weekly low, as well as key liquidity zones formed earlier in the week. All right? Traders then wait for price to reach these areas on Friday. Once liquidity is taken, meaning price breaks a level and quickly rejects, it can signal a potential reversal opportunity. So timing is important. Many traders focus on the London session for initial setups and the New York session for confirmation or continuation. The goal is not to predict direction blindly, but to observe how price reacts at key levels. Risk management is critical, of course, because Friday markets can be volatile and unpredictable. The strategy works best when combined with market structure, liquidity concepts, and patience. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.